Here's the inside of the mobile unit. All the synthetics. Oh. The easy spinner, plenty of tow lights. We got Jackie. Say hi, Jackie.
Hi, Jackie.
We got the tow lights. That's in there too somewhere. The van is pretty cool. This is the mobile unit. If y'all see something you like, let me know. All this stuff is available on jbtow.com too. Well, most of the synthetics, they're being put up today. But if you see something you like, we can also get a... We have the strobes. These are not on the shop, but if you want them, you can always reach out. You got the Fat Boys right there. You got the hugely popular spare tire kit. I think these are pretty awesome. I did a 1,800 mile, or actually 2,200 mile road trip, and these went 1,800 miles of the road trip. Then we got the super awesome light bar. This light is a work light, strobes, tail brakes, turns. Super cool. There's some other tow lights. We got plenty. You need some? There's more over there. Look at that. Red, white, and blue, baby. That's the patriotic mode. That's what they should call that, patriotic mode. Everybody go to Tow Professional Magazine. That's awesome. Online too. Towing and Shop Automotive World. This thing is super cool. Just spin around and around you go. We also got the Collins dollies. They got them with us. We're here to do the dolly challenge, but the infamous Loki Thors. That is, in my opinion, awesome. We have the lowboy ramps. Yeah, look how bright the arrow is in the sun. This is out in direct sun. That's on the TikTok shop too. So that is super cool. We got the can in the hand. This is the mobile unit. The awesome slow down sign. Slow down, move over, you'll save a life, and it's the law. All the tie-down kits. Everything's on the website. And you got these things. These things are pretty cool. Yeah, that's still charged too. The things have been up there for like 3 months. And we've used, I have not charged them since I put them up there.